Here's tips and tricks with Tyler and Terry. Check your fuses.
What's up, Donnie?
Hey guys, seems like you're always here when I need you.
We're here to fix your paver. What's going on, man?
Horn's not working on this one.
Well, that's simple. We can do this by testing it from other locations to see if it works there. So, it's not working here.
Let me check my side. Nope, nothing.
So it looks like we're gonna need to do a little bit more digging.
Okay.
That's where we need your guys' help.
Go on up.
All right, so what we're looking at here is our 24-volt box. And inside the 24-volt box are all of our fuses. The first thing we want to do is identify the fuse we want to test. So there it says horn, that's fuse number 16. So we go back down to the printed circuit board, and we can see 13, 14, 15, and 16. We'll pull that fuse out, put it in the fuse tester, and it does not light up. So we know the fuse for sure is bad. So we have spares. We go down to the end, and here is the spare fuse, another 10 amp fuse, and put it in the tester. There we go, it lights up. We know we're working with a good fuse now, and we'll put it back into fuse 16. And Donnie, I need you to test the horn.
Remember, operators,
Always check your fuses.
we're out.